today. A super awesome Smallfoot Cake! Yeah! So snowy. We're gonna start with our basic cake. Add your fresh, creamy frosting. Mmm, so good. Put your second layer on and even more frosting. Num, 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 num. Oh, and that third layer, and more frosting! Yeah! Isn't it such a pretty color of frosting? Oh, I'm so excited. All right, now we're gonna start up with our modeling process. We're gonna add our little stick in there so it sticks into the cake nice and easy. Now we're gonna start up with the head, yeah! Gonna add his hairy whiskeries. You can always practice this with Play-Doh. Do you like playing with Play-Doh? So much fun! And if you make a mistake, you can roll it back in a ball and start over again. Look how good he's turning out. I'm gonna make his mouth and all the little texture pieces.
Yo!
Do you just love watching this channel? Make sure you hit our subscribe button. Leave us a comment to tell us who your favorite character is from this movie. And give us a big thumbs up. Add your glue. And start adding all your facial pieces. He's got blue lips. Now we're gonna add some eyeballs. Oh wow, he's looking so good. And his eyebrows. Now we're gonna add some teeth. He's got some funny looking teeth, huh? And some little pretty eyeballs. Now he can see you. Oh, it's gonna look so awesome! All right, now we're gonna stick them to our big popsicle looking thing. And we're gonna cut all the extra off. Remember, this is super sharp, so be super duper careful.
Wow.
Now we're gonna make his hand. Cut super carefully. Are you having so much fun?
Yo!
Hit that subscribe button. Leave us an awesome comment and a big thumbs up. Do you have blue mittens? His blue hand is done. Snowflakes! Do you like the snow? We're using a snowflake cutter. Lots and lots of snowflakes. And now, Christmas trees! How awesome does this look? Be super careful with this. And push the leaves up. How cute is this turning out, guys? Now we're gonna make letters. F, O, O, spells foot. Smallfoot. Now we're gonna stick them to our dough. Oh, this is turning out so good. Now we're gonna cut around it. Be super careful, it's super sharp. Wow, and our cake blanket is marbles. Look how pretty that is. Gonna put it over careful. And smooth it in. Nice and smooth. Smooth it careful. We're gonna use our cake irons. And we'll get our pizza cutter to get off the extra. Now we're gonna put it all together. Our Smallfoot sign and our trees. Lots and lots of Christmas trees. Snowflake time! Remember, if you love watching these, hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment and a big thumbs up. There his hand is. Hello! Finishing touches. All finished!